everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. This is helpful when you want to quickly see repeated values in a list like duplicate names, emails, or IDs. For this example, we'll check column A, which contains a list of names. Let's start by selecting the range where you want to check for duplicates. Click and drag to highlight the range your data is in. Now, go to the top menu and click Format, then choose Conditional Formatting. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Under Format Cells If, click the drop-down and choose Custom Formula Is. Then, in the field below, type this formula, count if, open round bracket, then the full range of cells we're checking for duplicates, in this case A2 colon A20, type comma, then type the topmost cell of your selected range, which is A2 in our example. Type close round bracket, the greater than sign, and then 1. Add dollar signs before the column letter and before the row height for the range selected, which is A2 to A20. So before A, 2, A, and 20. Let's break this formula down. COUNTIF is the function that checks how many times a value appears in a given range. This highlighted part is the full range we're checking for duplicates in. The dollar signs mean this range will stay fixed when the formula is applied to each cell. A2 is the criterion. It refers to the first value of the range of cells. The greater than 1 is the conditional count you set. For this example, we will check for the ones that appeared more than one time. If you want to check for those that appear less than or more than a certain number of times, simply change the value of the conditional count to less than or greater than the number of times you want to set. Basically, the whole formula means if this value appears more than once in the list, highlight it. Then click Done. As you can see, all duplicate values in the range were highlighted automatically. If you update the list later and add new data, the formatting will adjust automatically. For example, let us put Amy in the last 2 cells. As you can see, the cells containing Amy were highlighted automatically. So, that is how you highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.